Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between video and photo mode on GoPro Fusion 360. To do it, just shortly click on the turn on mode button, because pressing and holding will turn on or off and clicking will change the mode. And now I'm in the recording because it has a camera here, the video camera, and now it has a photo camera, so it's in photo mode. And I can also switch to this mode, which will have a timer. You can see that there's a timer for half a second, and then it will take a photo. Or you can go to settings also, so it will display this screen, then click on the rec button, and now you're in the settings, and you can click on this button to go down the menu, or click on this rec button to approve. So now I'm switching between the settings of recording photos, time-lapse, and the connectivity, the voice, the settings, and that's also. I'm gonna go down to done, and now I'm in the camera mode, the recording mode again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.